Start with a magic circle and chain 2. This chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 12 double crochets in this circle. Once you're done, pull up this loop to close the gap and make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. And while making the slip stitch, change color and you can weave off this yarn. Next on, start with chain 3, 1 treble crochet in the same stitch, yarn over twice, insert your hook in the stitch and pull up a loop, pull through first 2 loops, pull through the next 2 loops, and finally the last 2 loops. That's 1 treble crochet made. Now chain 3 and 1 slip stitch in the same stitch. That's 1 petal made. Now 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Now repeat this for all the petals. Chain 3, 1 treble crochet in the same stitch, yarn over twice, pull up a loop, first 2 loops, next 2 loops, and finally the last 2 loops. Chain 3 and 1 slip stitch in the same stitch. That's the second petal made. Now to continue, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, 1 treble crochet, chain 3, 1 slip stitch in the same stitch. At the end, you should have 12 petals. Once you're done, make a slip stitch in this first petal and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.